The Pacific Palisades fires changed everything for so many families, and we get it. Rebuilding feels overwhelming. At Precise Building and Restoration, we're here to turn that devastation into something beautiful again. We specialize in fire home rebuilds throughout Pacific Palisades, and we don't just reconstruct what was lost. We work with you to create homes that are stronger, smarter, and designed for how you want to live now. Modern fire-resistant materials, updated layouts, energy-efficient systems, all the good stuff that makes your new home even better than before. We move efficiently, communicate constantly, and treat your rebuild like it's our own family's home. No corporate vibes here, just genuine people who care about getting you back home. This is your fresh start, and we're honored to be part of it. Ready to rebuild? Reach out to Precise Building and Restoration today, and we'll walk through this journey together.